All right, guys, here we go. Another day. We got the roof off. Kind of nice. Big old skylight. So the whole thing is off now, and it fit in the garage. Nice. So I'm going to be working on pulling off the plywood and then getting all of the foam out. So replacing all of the foam on this thing down to the 1/8 plywood that's connected to the TPO membrane. So we're going to leave the TPO, that 1/8 plywood right there, and then the rest is going to be new foam, new wood, new carpet, and then we're going to put it back on. I'm not going to film much of this, but that's what the plan is anyway. So let me get to it, and I'll give you an update in a little bit once I figure out what it's going to take. See you in a bit. Well, got the roof off in a rainstorm. I tell you, water's out for the most part. Had to brace it up. I had a big pocket pooling right here. I lifted it up and plastic came on the inside and dumped all over everything in here. Same thing up around the corner in the bedroom. It's keeping the majority out. It pools because it's not super tight in areas. And then I just gotta lift it off and flick it. That's my excitement for right now while this storm rolls through. Be nice to have the roof back on. It's coming together. We've got the foam back in. I was getting ready to start putting the plywood on over there, and then this storm came in. It was supposed to be a light storm, but it's a big storm. Lots of rain came out of it. All right, I'm gonna keep fending this off, and I'll show you some more of the roof, I guess, here in a little while after I get some wood on it. But I gotta get back to work. All right, here we are. This last piece of plywood's gonna be going on. So I think I showed you before when we were in the camper. I got all of the wiring pretty much redone. That wire there goes over to the AC. I'm not gonna cut any of the holes out until we get it up on the roof, and then I can cut it from the top because they're all open. The only thing I'll have to cut will be the vent tubes for the black and the gray, because those protrude above the roof, and this won't set down without having those cut. So I've got contact cement on here. These are basically aluminum nailers. These two I just had extras, so those are just some extra strength for it. But each 4-foot section, or every 4 foot on here, I've got a piece of aluminum just for a backer and a little bit of extra strength at the joints. So that's it for now. After that, I'll be putting carpet on it. See you then. All right, putting the carpet on. I'm just waiting right now for it to cure up. Gotta wait 15 minutes. So I've got a cheapo, why is all the light yellow in here? Got a cheapo Harbor Freight spray gun using weldwood on this. I had to use 3M77 on the foam, but all this is sprayed right now. This is sprayed, and then hopefully we're gonna fold it over onto that, and then I can trim up there and then bring all that, fold it back, and we'll do a third at a time. So that's the plan anyway. Seems like it's working. There's going to be a huge rainstorm here. Stop raining. Stop raining. Help me. Say it. Stop raining. Let me just wait for a few more minutes, and then I'll put this on. I don't know what I'll show, but we'll see. All right. See you in a little bit. This is the current state of the outside of the camper. It's got those rails off, the roof rail going around. The nose cap is pushed forward. It's like that on both sides. Plastic over the top. One more section glued up. We'll let it cure up, and then we'll get everybody out here and help me straighten it out on there. And we got one more to go, and then we can go back up on the roof. So, almost there. See you in a little bit. All right, guys, we got it back up there. My nephews helped me. There it is. I just got to screw down the perimeter and then staple the TPO back around the edge to the wall, and then I can put the rail on. Big difference, huh? Better than a melted out ceiling, isn't it? It's smells a little gluey in here. So I'll screw it around, and then I gotta move it to another location, and then I can finish attaching all of the interior, screw the walls back up to the ceiling. This wall, the bedroom wall, the closet, the overhead cabinet up there, and this cabinet all gets screwed up to the ceiling. But anyway, I think that's going to be it for this quick video, guys. I'll see you next time. Stay curious, chase your dreams. I'll see you around the bend. Happy roaming. Bye.